Very well welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue. Quite a sight to behold. We have already started. Yapdi! Goal! Some of the best managers I've played for insisted on starting games as you need to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it. Tries a shot! With full confidence. No mistake! Reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Look, that's one of the first things you learn, whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeper carrying a spinach, and sometimes you get lucky to come your way.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they've never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited for me. Now they can go on better, possibly. Mbappe. Troy. Loose ball. Through the first period. Quite a game here. Scholes. The sharpness of movement, the certainty of finish.
Oh look, it's always great to see a solo effort with a goal. It's the ideal combination of pace and control.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden, bang.
Scholes. It's Scholes! In it goes! And already they're looking to run away with it. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Yeah, tempted and teased the keeper into thinking he could get to it, but it just eased away to catch the inside of the post.
So the lead now is 2.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Vieira.
That's just very well played. He can't hurt you with his back to goal, and he didn't go for the back heel.
Very well to intervene.
And it's Rashford.
Being played forward. He's got options out wide. Oh, real danger here. And it's played forward. Vieira plays it forward. And he's straight offside. has gone out. Roberto Carlos. Vieira. That's offside. Yes, it is. Oh, terrible mistake. Got a shot away. Oh, brilliant! That is brilliant! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. A goal at a really telling moment.
Well, that defence just wasn't expecting their midfield to mess up then, so when they did, they were caught completely cold by such a swift breakaway and such a well-worked finish too.
The half-time whistle goes.
It's kind of a hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers have reminded them that the next one will be pretty crucial. So it's going to be interesting to see how the teams come out for the next period.
The game has already resumed here.
Bayern Munich need to get the balance right to sort this out. Ambition must be complemented by just the right amount of caution. I think the more experienced players can oversee that.
No, that's not the ball he wanted. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, good effort, he got plenty on that.
That's a great effort. There was very little backward to indicate what was coming.
Mbappe taps it out. Tries to play it through.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Rashford! Another save. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Giggs! Oh, nearly is nothing.
Giggs really felt he'd done enough. He's having a momentary...
Dangers here, on both sides in fact. Chesney. Here's Torres. What a ball this has turned out to be. Can he find a finish now?
Bayern Munich showing a little more urgency now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
This isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Just brushed off the ball there. Owen, and the finish! He has done it! And this is getting better and better. And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
When the manager called on him, he was only too happy to repay that favour.
Well, the instruction from the manager would have been, go on and make yourself a nuisance and see if you can snatch a goal. Mission accomplished.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Listen, it's up to them now how they think about it from here, because for me it's crying out for them to force the issue.
Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. He's through. Oh, he's meant to... Owen! Should have put that one away.
Well, that ought to have wrapped it up, Peter. You may well regret that, you know.
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start looking as I'm lost control. This paradise we
And he's there to clear it. Cafu brings it out wide. Shapes to shoot. Oh, that's a waste.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Good idea, just poorly executed. Scholes, he's made his mark on this game. He's ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with. And the through ball is intercepted. Looking cross field, changing the point of attack. And here's Owen. Yeah. Gerrard. It's Fernando Torres. Confirmation that there will be 2 minutes stoppage time. Roberto Carlos. Beckham. And time is up. Bayern Munich just couldn't kill it off. They let their opponents back into it and let it get away. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?